gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm
welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be making some bundles from Xpression Braiding Hair. Without further ado, let's get to it. I'll be using a pack of Xpression Braiding Hair. First, I'll cut the hair in 2 equal parts. Then I'll unravel the ends of the hair.
With me wherever I go, she's 1 in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back.
I am using the weaving thread as the base for my hair, and I am using a small piece of hair to make a knot around the thread. And guys, basically that's all you do, but you want to make sure you use a small piece of hair and put it very close to the last one.
Take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of hers.
I am using the flat iron to secure the top of the hair because guys, we're making bundles, so we gotta make sure the top of the hair is well secure. While doing this, you want to make sure the iron is not too hot. Next, you want to immerse the hair in some hot water. And here we have the Xpression Straight bundles. Now I'll use the bundles to create a ponytail. All you need to secure the hair is some bobby pins.
Conquering my dreams, honest and true. Put this for you, Daisy.
I am taking a small section of the hair to wrap around the base of the ponytail.
My heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy.
If you like this video, guys, go ahead and leave your girl a thumbs up and let me know what you think of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching, and as always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye!
Don't pass your plate. You build a bed. Your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before